What if I told you that while millions of creators are still fighting to qualify for YouTube monetization, a completely different opportunity is quietly emerging for Facebook creators? For years, we've been told that online income depends on YouTube ads, sponsorship deals, affiliate marketing, or selling products. While those methods still work, the creator economy is changing faster than ever. Now imagine this. What if you could continue creating the same content you already post on Facebook while also becoming part of a new Web3 powered creator ecosystem that rewards valuable content? That's exactly what OneWave is trying to build. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know. What is OneWave? How creators can earn sources, why Facebook is the first platform they're focusing on, what OneChain actually is, and how you can join step by step. If you're a Facebook creator or planning to become one, you'll definitely want to watch until the end because this could become one of the most exciting creator opportunities of the year. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. What is OneWave? First things first, what exactly is OneWave? OneWave is a Web3 powered creator platform designed to reward creators for the value they bring to their communities. Unlike traditional social media platforms that require creators to depend only on advertising revenue, OneWave introduces an ecosystem where creators may receive dollar-cross rewards based on the value they contribute. The interesting part: OneWave isn't trying to replace Facebook. Instead, it works alongside Facebook, allowing creators to continue publishing the content they already love while becoming part of a growing creator economy powered by blockchain technology. The mission is simple: reward creators who consistently produce meaningful, engaging, and valuable content. Why Facebook? One question many people are asking is, why did OneWave choose Facebook first? The answer is actually quite interesting. Facebook already has millions of active creators and one of the largest online communities in the world. However, many creators still feel that monetization opportunities can be limited depending on where they live, their audience size, or available creator programs. OneWave sees this as an opportunity. Rather than asking creators to switch platforms, it encourages them to keep creating on Facebook while participating in an additional ecosystem. And here's something experienced creators already know. Being early on a new platform can be a huge advantage. Early adopters often gain more visibility, build stronger communities, and understand the system long before it becomes crowded. Of course, joining early doesn't guarantee success, but it does give you time to learn, experiment, and establish your presence before the competition grows. How can creators earn? Visual, animated $cross token, engagement icons, AI analysis graphics. Now let's answer the biggest question. How do creators actually earn? OneWave introduces a reward system centered around $cross. Instead of focusing only on advertising revenue, the platform aims to reward creators based on the value they bring to the community. That means success isn't just about uploading random videos and hoping one goes viral. Instead, creators are encouraged to publish original content, stay consistent, build genuine communities, and create meaningful engagement. Another interesting feature mentioned by the campaign is its AI evaluation system. Instead of judging creators solely by view counts, the platform aims to evaluate the overall impact of their content. That could include audience engagement, content quality, consistency, and the value creators provide to their communities. This represents a different approach compared to many traditional creator programs. Instead of asking, "How many views did you get?" OneWave is asking, "How much value did you create?" And that's a refreshing shift in how creator success can be measured. What is OneChain? Visual, blockchain animation connecting creators and rewards. If you're new to Web3, don't worry. You don't need to understand complex blockchain technology to participate. OneChain is simply the blockchain infrastructure that powers the OneWave ecosystem. Think of it like the engine running behind the scenes. It helps manage rewards, transactions, and ecosystem activities in a transparent and decentralized way. For everyday creators, the technical details aren't the most important part. What matters is that the platform is using blockchain technology to support a creator-first economy. Why this opportunity matters. Visual. Different content creators. Gaming, education, tech, lifestyle, tutorials, entertainment. So why should creators pay attention? Whether you create gaming videos, educational content, technology, reviews, tutorials, lifestyle videos, entertainment clips, or any other original content, OneWave offers another potential way to participate in the evolving creator economy. Instead of depending on a single income source, creators can explore an ecosystem designed to recognize valuable content and community building. As the platform continues to develop, creators who remain active, follow official guidelines, and consistently produce quality content may be better positioned for future opportunities. How to join. Visual. Screen recording showing website registration steps. Getting started is actually very simple. Step 1. Visit the official OneWave website. Step 2. Create your account. Step 3. Connect your Facebook page. Step 4. Complete your creator profile. Step 5. Carefully read all official creator guidelines. Step 6. Start creating quality content for your Facebook audience. And that's it. One important reminder. Always use official OneWave websites and official social media channels. Avoid clicking unknown links shared in random groups or comment sections. Protecting your account should always come first. Should you join? Visual. Host speaking directly to camera. Oh, should you join OneWave? If you're already creating content on Facebook or planning to start, it is certainly worth learning more about. Early creator programs often provide opportunities to grow alongside the platform. However, like every Web3 project, it's important to approach things carefully. Always do your own research. Read the official documentation. Understand how the ecosystem works. And never make financial or career decisions based only on excitement or social media hype. The most successful creators are always the ones who stay informed and continue learning. Summarize everything we covered today. OneWave is building a new creator ecosystem designed to reward valuable content. Facebook is the very first platform being supported. Creators can participate in an ecosystem powered by one chain and centered around $cross rewards. Joining is simple, and one of the biggest advantages right now is the opportunity to get involved early while the community is still growing. Whether OneWave becomes one of the next major creator platforms depends on future development, creator adoption, and the strength of its community. But one thing is certain. The creator economy is evolving rapidly, and staying informed about new opportunities is one of the smartest things any creator can do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future updates on Web3 projects, creator platforms, blockchain gaming, and online earning opportunities. And now I want to hear from you. Would you join OneWave if it helps Facebook creators earn more? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.